Hello, I'm Leif. From my internship in 2017 to today in 2026, I have been working at Amitime for more than 9 years. I started as a fresh graduate in the R&D team. In 2023, I moved to a technical team within the overseas sales division and took on a leadership role. Then, in 2026, I made another major transition from a technical position to a sales role.
Question 1. What motivated you to join the overseas sales team and focus on the heat pump export business?
There were mainly two reasons behind my decision. The first was my personal desire for growth, and the second was Amitime's culture, which has always encouraged employees to challenge themselves and explore new opportunities. The main reason for this transition was my desire to experience and learn new things. On one hand, I wanted to broaden my knowledge, expand my perspective, and develop different skill sets. On the other hand, collaborating and communicating with different customers and partners continuously sharpens my way of thinking. For me, this was a choice to enrich myself and pursue continuous growth. I believe that overseas sales is one of the best windows to discover innovative desires and market trends from around the world. So, when the opportunity came, why not seize it and give it a try?
Question 2. What makes you feel confident when promoting our heat pump products to the global market?
I believe my confidence comes from several key matters. First, Amitime has been dedicated exclusively to the heat pump industry since its establishment 23 years ago, with a strong focus on overseas markets from the very beginning. Second, we have a highly professional R&D and quality control system. We employ more than 200 R&D engineers and operate 15 performance labs, multiple long-term reliability testing labs, and 2 noise testing labs. These capabilities provide a solid foundation and strong technical support for our global business expansion. Third, we have a professional sales and service team. Our sales colleagues have years of hands-on project development experience, enabling us to better understand customer needs, identify opportunities currently, and provide customers with confidence and peace of mind. Finally, during project development, we rely on a rapid response mechanism and a strong sales, technical, service triangle model. This integrated approach ensures that customer requirements can be implemented quickly, accurately, and efficiently. These are the reasons why I believe the Amitime team has both the capability and the confidence to provide excellent products and services to customers around the world.